Talk by TV.
Greetings. Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Top Black TV. If you're new to the channel or the channel is new to you, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever Top Black TV drops another video. Well, I'll tell you a story. A story will tell to me. So it's like me I tell you a story with me here. But the story funny. So I have to share it. And it's the first time I share the story. See, I work for a paint company one time. And we drive from one job site to the next. So I drive with a big bus. So it's a little distance still between the two jobs. Them. So talking and going and things. So the boss asked me about my music and very I'm not big yet and what I do with my music and all these things. So that talk and things. So because I talk about music now, him start to tell me some entertainer where him know. Including the king of dancehall. So here's the thing now. My boss know him was a Jamaican, but him have property for one of them small island there. I never got name the island because I didn't even want to give the boss. Can tell me say, yo, don't tell the story because I'm not going to know say me. I say, right, but so too sweet. Anyway, so then he tell me about some artists and things where him know and him have a restaurant on that small island there. And when the artists them come on the island there, that's so them rich. Because they know they can get the real good Jamaican food. That's so. Like them their yard. For real. So, I'm talking about a time now when a portion of the artists in the establishment and vibes and things, enough artists and music a play, food a cook, woman dead there, domino a play, forward, wall a beat off. Enough niceness. See him so in that time, the king of dancehall now come in the kitchen and say, what happened to fire the big man? So my boss goes to boom and start to rise some pot lid. Jerk chicken, oxtail, curry chicken, fried fish, rete, lele. And so the king say, make sure you leave two of them big snapper for me now. Call him low. But no problem. The boss put two aside for the king. Back on the mic, things are going forward, beat off wall, juice a drink, domino a play, everything nice. So he must say, after a while slowly but surely, they must leave one by one. But you know they say, it's in the place, hold it down. Deal with the microphone. I understand. So now, take a stack, please quiet down, like everybody gone. The king alone leave. See him. Mine, the king done box down the two fish, two snapper. Box down two fish. Him eat two snapper. So now, when I leave, in forward in the kitchen, my boss open and say, boy, Natty, you're out of luck, Fish done. If that you come for. The king say, how jerk chicken look there? Boss, huh? The king say, jerk chicken left. Boss, yeah. Some jerk chicken left here still. But boss said, them time you know, he might want to himself. I couldn't. Some of that, the king want. The king said, share a plate there for me. My boss showed the plate, you know. My boss said, then this the man wait so long for till everybody gone. Anyway, I'm giving the food and I'm saying no time. I be a meeting in my ear fly off a board. So I'm saying no something, he might just take away himself, make the rest go on. Deal with the jerk chicken in peace. He can eat like a king. When him forward, him say, at the bone, king the pan. He can chew bone and spit a bone like Tommy gun. Listen to me. The way how I laugh, you know. I nearly jump out of the vehicle. Do my boss I laugh, nearly crash the vehicle. I must say, no, I lie after it. I must say, oh, lie what? He must say, as there's a. I said, no, so I must tell a story. He said, tell what? You can't do that. He said, I can't do that. Then you tell me the story. So I can't tell a story where a man tell me. He said, no, if you tell the story, I'm not going to know. Oh. I might say, alright, you know something. Alright. But it's about a year now. And boy, it's a share story. Yeah? Me not say that one. Although the way how the man laugh. So my disclaimer again. It's a story. My boss tell me. And crack me up to pieces, so I'm gonna share back with the island. So allegedly, what did I say a while ago? Allegedly, cause like I said, I never did it. Anyways, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. This is
Talk Back TV.